Namaste. My name is Thomas Trinter from Frankfurt in Germany. And my question is, when it comes to meditation, there are so many buzzwords in the world, and everybody uses them, and I always don't know exactly what it means. For example, this to go within. What is it exactly? How do I know that I go within? When there are no thoughts anymore, what is it? And the other one is meeting the self. I don't know what the self is exactly, and how do I know that I meet it? These are the questions.
It is like changing the position. When your eyes are seeing, they are seeing from this side, no? In front of them. There should be something which can see the eye. So he has to go there, then only he can see eye. If I go there, I cannot see all of you, isn't it? I must be on the opposite side. And this consciousness, we want to bring there that we can see our eye, we can see ourselves. That is to go within, means changing approach, change the direction. That also will be there. Therefore, it's not a meditation means one day to sit and sing Om or like that. We have to start with some basic preparation, and in that Om learning is surely there. Because Om is a very harmonizing sound that as a preparation. When we do yoga or we do exercises, we do warm-up. And then we start doing other things. Like the Om is a warming up, and that we have to do. But so many aspects are there because we want a complete, holistic meditation to make our life complete and quiet. Afterward, there is no stress, nothing is there. Really, you go out of stress because you have everything and you don't want anything. So, and not want means I don't want food. That doesn't mean I don't want to eat. I am not worried it is there. This difference we have. Anybody has a last question now because I did not see Abule.
Namaskar Guruji. I'm Robin from Israel. I have a question. I need to know the definition of meditation. I'll tell you why. Is meditation described as a person sitting on the mountains for 12 years or days or months? Or is it a person who's got a passion for singing probably, that he sits in a lonely place, isolated place and sings? Or if a person's passion is painting, he sits and he paints, he's completely engrossed in the painting, doesn't think of anything else. Is that meditation? Or a person who likes the jungles, he goes to the jungles and hears the voices and he's very happy in the jungles and he's cut off from the whole world, the commercial world and all the bustling sounds. Is that meditation? If you can please explain me, it will be nice.
In short, it's a complete process again, but I will tell you. The idea is that, as you said, that if you go to the jungle and you are happy, this cannot be meditation. Till the time the duality is finished. You should be happy in the house also, you should be happy in the jungle also. You should be sitting quiet when children are playing and somebody is listening a very heavy radio song, and you should be in a mountain or in a cave where there is no sound. So this difference, the duality to finish is a meditation. So we want to go out of this duality. And when this happens, it is a meditation. So then what happens is that you are not dependent on somebody. Therefore it is called freedom, swatantrata. That you are not depending. If you say that if I am happy when there are birds and people are like saying, they don't understand what they are speaking. That we are nice people here and you are not happy with meeting us and you have to go and look for a good dog there. So what is happening? So the problem is that they say, when I see the birds, I am so happy. That means you are not happy in the house, you are not happy otherwise. Then no, that way also I am happy, but this is also happy. What is the difference? More happy and less happy. So these double polarities, one need to come to one. You should be. That is what. Now for that the process is to come to the point. Now when we were talking about going inside, outside, I was taking the dimension. But the dimension also should not be causing any problem. It is not a physical dimension that I have to go there and look, or I have to go behind and look. It should be at the same place. I must have a complete holistic vision. So it is nothing to do with this dimension, because then again it will be south, north, east, west, and so on. So it is a point of consciousness like a pyramid. When this is a pyramid, and at this point, everything you are seeing, all 4 sides of the pyramid or 6 sides of the pyramid, or if it is round, complete circumference, and you see the whole pyramid. The moment you come down, so here when you are there, then you have limitation to see. And then you have duality, the other side of the pyramid. So the problem is that our consciousness getting limited. And this limited, I love my wife. But unless I love everybody in the world, that love also is not a love. It is just a language and some special favor. So why I should do a special favor only to one person? If by chance there is some problem and we have to save somebody, then whom to save? Then I will make favor him. This will make a problem, you understand? So this favor, the duality is to be finished. And that can be finished when the consciousness level goes up. And it comes to a point. And for that we need technique. So when we say Om, now what happens when I say suppose I say some mantra, the Vakratunda Mahakaya. So Vakra, Tunda, this all is happening. As you said, musician. The musician, if he makes singing, he has to sing and enjoy. Then again problem will come. Even if he is not singing, bete, music to andar chalta hai na. Only when you open the tap, it should go out. If you don't open the tap, it remains inside. And I am happy with that music. Why? It has to flow. But if you want to flow, you come and open the tap, you listen to the music. Now, I am singing already, and you are coming and you open the tap, you can hear. But if you close down and go, then I cannot stop. That is music. The musician sings for himself, or the musician sings for the audience. The moment he tries to please the audience, the great problem, and therefore the musicians are all, then afterwards have vices. शाम को बैठ के दारू के पीना नींद नहीं आएगी. So that some alcohol, unless they drink, they will not sleep. So many people like this there are. So this is a problem with this duality. So Om is collecting everything together and going it up here. Therefore Om is sound. Otherwise, because for that sound, you don't need modulation of our division. My body is divided into 5 elements. And that 5 elements are used by 7 dhatus. So every dhatu has 5 elements, and they are 7. And all this division is there. Then when I say anything like wa, it is a sound where my lips are responsible. I cannot keep the mouth and sing say wa. You always say, when you want to say pa, you need to touch your lips. Pa. I was saying, always telling people that the women, those who put lipstick, their husband's name should not be Peter. Because when they will call her husband Peter, then all the lipstick will spill here and there. So, and if they don't touch the lips, then it will become eater. So the modulation means division again. But that is for spreading and making a joy. And who is enjoying is the inside consciousness. So this is the problem with so many times it not understood. And therefore Om is sound where we don't say. When I sit down just, or I am sleeping, or I keep my mouth open, whichever, if I say Om, andar chalu hai. Whichever tap I open, it will sound. So this, and that goes, all the meridians and all the senses, they are pulled here. So if I sing long time, when we will learn Om, you will see I heard you are leaving now, you got your flight? Next week, good. Because at least this group, I would like to make some Om here, but practical and not only shooting. So, but the idea is that when we see and the frequency if we increase, then you will realize that how eyes are automatically getting reverse. खोल के रखना मुश्किल है. Then you have to close the eyes because it will get pulled inside. Huh? So this is what the meditation is, that you are complete, you are full, there is no duality. Therefore, if this is water, but I want, this is water, I want tea, duality. So किसी ने पानी ला के रख दिया तो पानी से समाधान हो गया, टी चाय रख दी तो चाय से समाधान. Here in India we say, no, हम ठहरे फकीर. जो आया वो आया, तो आनंद ही है सबको. हमको इसमें क्या है, चाय में पानी है, पत्ती जाके मैं घर खा लूँगा. पानी यहाँ दे दो. The problem is that we need to little practice, and I'm sure. But at least the elementary 2 steps about health and wealth, that at least everybody will start experiencing when we learn to meditate and we start practicing. And then the self-satisfaction and energy, this will take little time. Energy means the full energy is in the atom, the consciousness, supreme. The God is there for smaller than the smallest and bigger than the biggest. So that is point we will go, then only everything is there. Otherwise, then it is division. So we will learn this, and I'm sure again, if you like, we can sit again sometime. Learn also, and again new questions if there are, we will take. Thank you very much, please.